In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con buttons not working. It's going to work with the Switch 1 or the Switch 2, so just keep that in mind. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, start on the home screen and scroll down to the very bottom and select System Settings, just like so. Open this up and then scroll down all the way down to the very bottom, and you're going to see a System tab all the way down here. Go over to System Update and select it and let it check for updates. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. If not, don't worry, that's fine. We can move on to the next thing, which if you just back out, you're going to see a section in here. If you scroll over to the left, called Controllers and Accessories or Controllers and Sensors, scroll up to that. And once you're on here, scroll over and you're going to see an Update Controllers tab right here. Select this. Once again, if an update's available, go ahead and update it. If not though, what you're going to want to do is restart your Switch. So hold down that power button up at the top of your console, select power options, tap restart, and once your Switch turns back on, test those buttons again. To check exactly which button isn't working though, you could go back to your system settings and go to the Controllers and Sensors tab and go ahead and select Test Input Devices, just like so. After doing that, tap Test Controller buttons and press each button to see which one isn't responding. If a button itself isn't working, detach the Joy-Con, use a soft brush or toothbrush to clean around the button, and then of course you could also use something thin like a card or edge to gently clear out any debris that might be in that little like metal ridge. Make sure that you clean around the edges carefully. Dust and debris could sometimes cause buttons to, stick or stop responding, and after clearing, just reattach that Joy-Con and run the button test again. Hopefully one of these steps fixed your Joy-Con issue. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.